Hello, sweet ones, and welcome to this week's guided meditation. Thank you for joining me. Start to enter our sacred space by bringing your attention to your breath. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Today we'll explore what it means to live at the frequency of love, with a heart wide open, and gently release the samskaras, the subconscious patterns, that block the flow of this love in your life. This space is a sanctuary for your soul, a moment to return to yourself, to the love that you are, and to the life that is waiting for you beyond fear and limitation. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Close your eyes, and let's return to breath. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let yourself settle into this moment as we begin. Sinking deeper into your breath, notice the way it flows in and out, effortlessly like the rhythm of the ocean. In and out. Feel the earth beneath you, holding you, steady and unwavering. Visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, anchoring you deep into the earth's core. With each breath, feel yourself grounding more deeply. Let the weight of the world melt away. In this moment, you are safe. In this moment, you are held. In this moment, you are here. Now bring your awareness to your heart space, the center of your being. Imagine a soft, golden light glowing within. With each breath, see this light expanding, growing warmer and brighter. This is the frequency of love. It's always been here, waiting for you to notice. Feel it radiating through your chest, filling your entire body with warmth and light. As you breathe in this beautiful energy, repeat silently or aloud, I am love. Love flows through me. Love is who I am. As this light grows, imagine it extending outward, beyond your body, filling the space around you. See it connecting with everything and everyone, dissolving separation and reminding you of the truth. You are one with all that is. Take a moment to bask in this feeling. This is your natural state. Now that you're aligned with the frequency of love, let's explore what may be blocking this flow in your waking reality. Gently ask yourself, what beliefs or patterns am I holding that no longer serve me? Where in my life am I resisting love, giving it, receiving it, or both? Simply notice what arises without judgment. It might be a memory, a feeling, or even a vague sense of resistance. Whatever it is, simply allow it to be here. Visualize these patterns as threads tangled in the golden light of your heart. Notice their color, their texture, their weight, and as you observe them, ask, where did you come from? What are you here to teach me? Now imagine holding these threads with compassion. See them softening in the light of your heart, gently dissolving. As they fade, repeat silently or aloud, I release what no longer serves me. I forgive myself. I choose love. Feel the space these releases create in your being. Notice how the light of your heart grows even brighter, freer, more expansive. Now, with your heart wide open and your light fully radiating, imagine living from this place. Visualize yourself moving through your day, your week, your life, with this frequency of love guiding your every step. See how it shifts the way you see yourself. See how it transforms your relationships. See how it invites miracles into your life. Basking in this energy, breathing in and breathing out. Repeat silently or aloud, I live at the frequency of love. I keep my heart wide open. I trust in the flow of life. Allowing this powerful energy to amplify and expand within you. Feel yourself magnetizing love, abundance, and miracles into your life. Let this vision anchor deeply into your being, becoming not just a practice, but a way of life. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Bring your awareness back to your breath, the gentle rhythm of life moving through you. Feel your feet on the earth, your body supported, your heart alive with love. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this frequency of love with you into your day. Remember, you are not your past. You are not your patterns. You are the love that flows through it all. Thank you for sharing this sacred space with me. Breathe deep and plan on miracles. Namaste.